Hello all, I am Ms. Soumya Ahar, Assistant Professor from the Department of Psychology of Dr. S.N.S. Rajakshmi College of Arts and Science. This video is about the Introduction to Biopsychology. It is the first chapter from the course of Biopsychology. So let's begin into the chapter. Understanding human consciousness, a physiological approach. Dualism and monism are philosophical concepts that attempt to explain the nature of reality, particularly in terms of the relationship between mind and body, or between the physical and non physical. Dualism, the belief that the body is physical but the mind or soul is not. Dualism is the belief that reality consists of two fundamental, distinct types of substances or realities. The most common form of dualism is mind body dualism, the famously associated with the philosopher Rene Descartes. According to this view, mind and body are separate entities. The mind is a non-physical substance characterized by the thought and the consciousness, while body is a physical substance governed by the physical laws. It is also the interaction between the mind body, the two separate entities. Despite being distinct, the mind and body interact with each other. For example, mental states like beliefs or desires can influence physical actions, and physical states like bodily sensations can influence mental states. Monism, the belief that the world consists only of matter and energy, that the mind is phenomena produced by the workings of the nervous system. So, monism, in contrast, is the belief that reality is ultimately composed of a single substance or a principle. Monism can take various forms. Materialistic monism, physicalism. This is the view that everything that exists in physical is nature. Mental phenomena such as thoughts and emotions are ultimately reducible to physical processes in the brain. The idealistic monism, idealism. In this view, reality is fundamentally mental or spiritual in nature. The physical world is either an illusion or a manifestation of the mind. Neutral monism. This perspective holds that the fundamental substance of the reality is either mental or physical, but something else that can manifest as either mind or matter under different conditions. Comparison and implications between dualism and monism is an important topic. Dualism often raises questions about the two different substances, mind body, can interact and how one influences the other. Monism avoids this problem by denying the duality, but it often faces challenges in explaining how mental phenomena arises from the physical matter or vice versa. Depending on the type of monism, it differs. In summary, dualism emphasizes the distinction between mind and the body or other dual aspects of reality, while monism argues for a single, undefined reality. These perspectives have profound implications in the field like metaphysics, philosophy of mind, psychology, and even in discussions on consciousness and artificial intelligence. Okay. Blindsight is a significant topic in the study of consciousness because it challenges our understanding of the relationship between perception and awareness. It offers insights into how visual information can be processed in the brain without it being accessible to conscious experience. Blindsight and consciousness. The nature of conscious experience is, is between the consciousness versus the unconscious perception. Blindsight demonstrates it is possible for the brain to process visual information without this processing reaching the level of conscious awareness. Patients with blind sight can often guess the location or the movement of objects in their blind field with greater accuracy than chance.